Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are in full mom mode today. I have been to the gym this morning. It's actually about 3 o'clock. So I've been to the gym. I've been running errands, cleaning, doing laundry, all that good stuff. And I had some pretty awesome packages delivered today, one being my Stitch Fix. So I'm getting ready to be traveling for almost 2 solid weeks. This is the time of year for my company that we have a lot of travel, a lot of conferences and stuff like that. So I'm really excited that I got my Stitch Fix before I leave on Monday for my first week of travel. So I'm going to open it up. I have not opened this yet. Usually I have the package already open. So while I'm doing this, I will explain Stitch Fix if you are not familiar. It is a clothing subscription service. You typically pay a styling fee of $20. I think is it 20 or 25? Anyway, and you get 5 pieces. So that could be shoes, purse, jewelry, clothes, and you have 3 days, I think it is, to try it on. Send it what you don't want back. Whatever you keep, your styling fee gets credited toward that purchase. And then if you keep all 5 items, in addition to that, you also get 25% off of everything. So I did get the Style Pass a couple months ago, which was $49, but it gives you unlimited fixes for a year with no styling fee. So I don't know whether that's good or bad, guys. I will be completely honest, because I've been getting fixes every 3 weeks, and it's really hard when you have a really great stylist and they keep sending you 5 for 5s. Not that I'm complaining, I'm just saying it can be a little detrimental to the pocketbook, if you know what I mean. So my stylist is amazing. I did have Kendall for a long time, and then all of a sudden they switched my stylist to Allie, which is totally fine with me because she does a great job. So I did see this, you guys. Okay, so Stitch Fix Kids, oh my gosh. Even though I have a little boy, he still loves clothes and he loves shoes. So this is pretty cool. So this is, you can win a $100 Stitch Fix credit, which is pretty awesome. So I don't know, I may look into that for him. I think it would be really fun for him to get a box and do videos. So if you guys would like to see maybe a mommy and son Stitch Fix unboxing, comment down below, because he always wants to be on my channel and do my unboxings with me. So that might be pretty fun. Okay, so here is my style card, and I'm not going to look at anything. I'm going to kind of fold it over and just read the note. So I did get Allie again. Woo, there's my note. Okay, it said, "Hi Jennifer, I'm so glad you loved your birthday fix," which was a 5 for 5, by the way. "I got your note that you're traveling for work in July, so I've chosen some great business casual looks that can channel the romantic and feminine vibe on your Pinterest board. Skirts and dresses are the perfect way to stay cool and stylish in the heat. Be sure to leave me a note when you check out and let me know how everything fits and which styles are your favorites. Is there anything you're looking for next? Love, Allie." Or XO Allie, sorry. Okay, so I did leave a note that said I'm traveling some. I wanted easy, travel-friendly fabrics and stuff that I can just kind of throw on. It's one and done. I love dresses, obviously, but we'll see what I have in my box. Okay, so here is my bundle. Ooh, and I am totally digging those colors. Yeah, girl. Okay. So, and as I said before, guys, I have on my Sarah half lip slip, which I have on 24/7, and a little bit of mascara. That's all I've got on right now. So, you know what though? This is a mommy channel. This is real life. We're just gonna go with it. All right. So the first thing I have here, and let me grab. Should I do this? Yeah, I'll do the prices now, I guess. Okay. Oh, and I did get an email that somebody used my referral code. I couldn't see who it was, but whoever you are, thank you, thank you, thank you. So I have a $25 referral credit as well, which is stinking awesome. So again, I couldn't see who it was, but thank you to whoever used my referral credit. You guys are amazing. Okay. This is not a bad price fix at all. Okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a white button-up, like, I don't know what kind of sleeves you call these. Are cap sleeves. Those are super cute though. It's just a very flowy, just kind of basic white button-up shirt. And the brand is Per Se. And this top is the Haldana button-down top, size small, $34. That's really cute. Like, you could wear that with a ton of stuff. A ton of things. Kind of like a little high-low there. Really cute. Alright. Second thing is another top. Ooh, that's cute. So this is the Colette Romi cold shoulder knit top. Ooh, cold shoulder. Light pink. I don't have anything cold shoulder. So that's really cute. And it's got kind of like a twisty knot here on the sleeves with cold shoulder. Super pretty. Okay, let's see how much that is. 28 bucks. Allie, you are killing it. Killing it. Okay, so this is a, oh my God. Shut the front door. Look at this dress, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, can you see that? I cannot even tell you how buttery soft this is. Like, it feels, oh my gosh, it feels so good. And look at the back. It's like a, kind of a pleated right here. Oh, so cute. Okay, French gray, Adara brushed knit dress, 48 bucks. 48 bucks. Yes, I love that. Okay, the next thing we have is skirt. Cute. Okay, so this is the Gilli Morgen skirt, extra small petite. Yes, petites. Thank you God for petites. So this is just like a little navy. It's like that really cool like knit fabric. Super cute. This is $48. Really cute skirt. I don't wear a lot of skirts. I wear a lot of dresses, but I don't wear a lot of skirts. Okay, and this looks like another dress. Let's see, what is this? Hold on. Oh, cute. It's like a shirt dress, but it's got a belt. So there's the dress. It's navy and white as well. Papermoon, I like Papermoon. Damara shirt dress, small, $58. Okay, so it looks like it's, if you can see this, okay, so it's kind of lined here, and then up here it gets a little sheer, which is really pretty. Love that. Really, really like that. Okay, super cute. So my total for this fix would be $216. If I keep all 5, it's $54 off, which is $162, and then I've got another $25 credit. So that would bring it down to, and they don't have my $25 credit on here, but I did get an email that I had one. So let's see, that would be $130 something. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay, love it. All right, I want to look at the style cards and kind of see how she styled. Okay, see, she gets me. Allie just gets me. This is, so she styled the little French gray dress with a denim jacket. You guys know I am all about my denim jacket. The button-down top, she has styled with a skirt or with like denim cut-off shorts, which is adorable. The cold shoulder top, either with denim shorts or white skinnies. The skirt with like just a white top and a denim jacket, or kind of like I don't have a top like that, but anyway. And then the shirt dress with a white jacket, which I have a white denim jacket for like kind of casual, or to dress it up like black heels. So I'm like totally digging everything in this box. I love it. So I'm gonna be right back with a try on, and you guys can tell me what you think. I'll be right back. All right, so here is the first top. My hair is looking rough. So this is the white button down, It's a little big, I'll be honest. It's, I don't know, it hangs really low in the back. I don't think it's big this way, I think it's long, so it's not a petite. She has it just with, let's see if she leaves a note here. Yeah, I mean, I think it's really cute. I like it. I don't know if maybe it would look better like without the short, like with something else, like a different kind of pant because it's so long in the back. Or if you would just, I mean, you could just like kind of tuck it in the whole way around, I guess, like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? I like it. It's not, I'm not like super crazy about it, but I don't hate it. I love a white button up, and this one's a little bit different. I love the way the sleeves are. So yeah, let me know how you guys would wear this. I'm not really sure, because if I do you know what, maybe just with like denim skinny jeans instead of shorts. That way you don't have to deal with because it would cover your booty back here. So maybe just like, you know, denim skinny. So, all right, I'll be right back. All right, so here is the cold shoulder top. It's really cute. I do have on I threw on like a razorback bra to try on the dress, so I wouldn't wear like this bra with it. I would wear one that wasn't like razorback. But, so here's the shirt. It's kind of blousy. It's kind of loose, so I would probably, you know, maybe do like a front tuck or something like that with it. I like the cold shoulder. I think it's cute. I don't have a shirt like that. What do you guys think? I like it. It's very soft. I don't know if it's my absolute favorite top that I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix, but it's cute. So let me try it on with the skirt and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the top with the skirt. So let me stand up here and show you guys the skirt. So it's cute. I'm really glad it's in petite because it would have been too long. It's an elastic waist, so it fits, you know, around the waist really nice. I just don't know that it's something that I would wear a lot. I don't wear a lot of skirts. I prefer more of a dress girl. But it's cute and it fits really well if they're here. So I don't like it with this top. I think I would wear a white, some kind of white top with it, but what do you guys think? Oh, let me know. I feel like it's a little too long, maybe? I don't know. There's something kind of off about it, but I'll be right back with the dresses. Okay guys, so here is the French gray dress. I really like it. It's very comfortable. I love the back, how it has kind of the razor back detailing. It's very soft. Yeah, I like it. I think it's really cute. I could see, you know, it's just kind of easy. You just put it on and, you know, kind of one and done. Turn this light on. I don't know if that'll help. But you can see, I mean, it's just a beautiful, like, kind of dusty rose color. I don't know about this band here. I don't know if it makes my waist, I mean, I'm really short-waisted anyway, but I don't know if it makes my waist, if it's flattering, if it does anything for me. I'm not sure. You guys let me know what you think. It is very comfortable though. It's a great length. So here's kind of a full-length view of it. So, all right, I will be right back with the last dress. Okay, so I am back with the shirt dress. So this is the Papermoon shirt dress. It's navy and white. I like it. I think it fits really well. Like, the fit is perfect. It does have like this little like belt. I think I probably have buttoned that. Has this little belt right here with a little tie. The length is great. The length is perfect. So here's the full dress. It's lined. It's really cute. I just don't know. I don't know. You guys have to, this is a tough box because at first glance, was like, this is a 5 for 5. When I first looked at it. But once I try everything on, which is usually the opposite. Usually I don't like it out of the box, and once I try it on, I like it. This is kind of throwing me a little bit because normally the try-ons are the opposite. But, I mean, I like it. I just don't know if it's, I don't know, what do you guys think? If it does anything for me or if it's anything super special. It's a good price on it. Let's see. I think it was, how much is this one? Where's my price sheet? Well, anyway, I can't find my price sheet. Crap. I don't know what I did with it. The price sheet. Hold on. Guys, the price sheet's missing. So, okay. Anyway, I think this one was like $78, and then if I had I have my $25 credit, but you don't get the 25% off of anything. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. All right. I'm just gonna recap here, and not like do a whole nother video. The white top I liked. I think it was a little long. The cold shoulder was cute, maybe a little big. I'm not sure that I would wear that a whole lot. The skirt, meh. The dusty rose dress, I like. It's very comfortable. You guys tell me what you think about that one. And then this dress, I like as well. I just don't know if anything's like blowing me away. So a lot of times when I watch these back, I change my mind about things. But let me know in the comments below what you guys liked. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.